Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and disconnect the battery cable. Removal. Remove the 2.5 mm P0 Phillips head screw that secures the solid-state drive bracket to the solid-state drive. Remove the solid-state drive bracket. Grasp the solid-state drive by the edges and pull gently to remove it from its connector on the system board. Remove the solid-state drive module and place it in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Grasp the solid-state drive by the edges and remove it from the static dissipative bag. Align the notch in the solid-state drive with the key in the solid-state drive slot on the system board. Gently insert the solid-state drive into its slot on the system board. Place the solid-state drive bracket into position on the solid-state drive. Replace the 2.5 mm P0 Phillips head screw that secures the solid-state drive bracket to the solid-state drive. Important: ensure the left speaker cable is properly routed in the routing channel on the battery.